Hi guys! Welcome back sa ating Involve Asia and Cryptocurrency YouTube channel. Okay, so sa video natin for today, pag-uusapan natin yung tungkol sa Binance Peg XRP. Okay, so basics of trading on Binance Peg XRP. Okay, yung intent nitong video na to is to ensure yung ating understanding na halimbawa gusto nating i-transfer yung ating mga XRP coin galing sa mga cryptocurrency exchange like Binance or Gate.io and i-withdraw or ilipat ito sa MetaMask non-custodial wallet. Okay, dapat alam natin na kapag ginawa natin yung action na yon, yung ating XRP holding ay magiging Binance Peg XRP coin. Okay? Meaning, dahil yung XRP coin natin ay nagra-run sa native system ng XRP, kapag ka nag-transfer tayo ng XRP natin from a centralized exchange like Binance or Gate.io, pag nilipat natin yung mga XRP natin sa MetaMask gamit yung BSC or Binance Smart Chain, magiging considered na to as XRP Binance Peg. Okay? Okay, so tignan natin yung mga information na dapat nating malaman kung halimbawa kino-consider natin i-transfer or i-withdraw yung mga holdings natin na XRP from centralized exchanges papunta sa MetaMask. Okay? So what is Binance Peg XRP? Okay, basics of trading on Binance. Okay, so yung article na binabasa natin, yung source nito is coming from investtiki.com, blog from Nora, dated May 19, 2022. Yung recording naman natin, today is Monday, October 3, 2:47 a.m. Okay? So Binance Peg XRP is a new digital asset that appeared in the crypto market a few years back. However, many traders who already own XRP Peg coins doesn't understand what this cryptocurrency means. Okay, so may mga tao na palang may holdings ng Binance Peg XRP pero in reality hindi nila alam kung ano bang ibig sabihin nun for them. Okay, so ano ba talaga yung ibig sabihin nun? The purpose of Peg tokens is to make it possible for traders to trade native assets on the Binance chain ecosystem at 1-to-1 ratio. Okay, now, ang ibig sabihin to, kung ano man yung value ng XRP nung binili mo siya sa exchange, okay, kung halimbawa, volatile pa rin kasi yung cryptocurrency market eh. So, kung ano man yung count ng XRP mo na ita-transfer from centralized exchange papunta sa BSC network sa MetaMask, 1:1 pa rin yung ratio nun. Okay, so kung ano man yung galaw ng cryptocurrency sa market, kung may XRP ka sa Binance and meron kang XRP sa MetaMask BSC network, parehas pa rin yung value nun sa cryptocurrency market. So yun yung pinipertain nitong paragraph na to, na sinasabing the purpose of Peg tokens is to make it possible for traders to trade native assets on the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem at 1:1 ratio. Okay? Okay, so with the help of the Binance Peg XRP, mas nagkakaroon pa ng maraming options ang mga traders or yung mga cryptocurrency traders para mas maging creative on how they can innovate their trading strategies. Okay? Binance Peg tokens are only traded and deposited on Binance. Traders cannot send Binance Peg tokens to exchanges that do not support them and are non-refundable or lost forever if sent to another exchange. So yung ibig sabihin ng paragraph na to, kung halimbawa ang scenario ay gusto mong i-transfer yung Binance Peg XRP mo from MetaMask to a centralized exchange, kung yung centralized exchange hindi niya supported yung Binance Peg tokens, hindi magiging possible yung transaction. So hindi mo maaaring i-transfer yung Binance Peg XRP from MetaMask papunta sa other exchange, okay? Kung hindi niya supported yung Binance Peg tokens. So yung dapat nating tandaan dito, the moment na i-transfer natin yung mga XRP coin natin sa MetaMask gamit yung Binance Smart Chain, magiging considered na to as Binance Peg tokens. Okay, so Binance XRP Peg token na siya. And kapag ka send tayo ng XRP or magwi-withdraw tayo ng XRP from MetaMask to an exchange, dapat yung gagamitin nating cryptocurrency exchange yung mismong Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange. Okay? Sa ganung paraan, magkakaroon ka ng reassurance na maaari mong i-withdraw yung pera mo gamit yung P2P or peer-to-peer process ng Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange. Okay? So, yun yung dapat nating tandaan. Okay? Kung mag-hold din tayo ng XRP sa Binance Smart Chain network sa MetaMask. Okay? Users consider XRP Peg to be more convenient than owning the original XRP. Traders can easily convert XRP Peg to BNB at any time. Yun, isa pang advantage. Kung gusto mo namang mag-swap, kasi nga, di ba, MetaMask na yung gamit mo. Kung gusto mo, kung halimbawa, all-time high yung XRP in the near future, gusto mong mag-take profit, another option can be to swap your Binance pegged XRP to another token, for example, BNB, and then nagkaroon ka pa ng additional investment na BNB cryptocurrency. So, yun yung mga options na pwede rin nating i-consider kung mag-hold tayo ng XRP sa Binance Smart Chain MetaMask. Okay? So, for the conclusion, in short, Binance pegged XRP is a derivative product created by Binance that has a 1:1 ratio to the XRP coin. XRP Peg coin makes it possible for users to experience unattended trading on the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. Although the XRP Peg has a 1:1 ratio to XRP, meaning that when XRP rises or falls in price, the Peg XRP has the same value. Ayan guys, malinaw na malinaw. So, considering yung volatility ng market, halimbawa, bumaba or tumaas ang value ng native XRP coin, ganun din yung price action ng XRP Peg coin dito sa Binance Smart Chain. Okay, however, users can only trade and convert XRP pegged on Binance Exchange, okay? But cannot transfer pegged XRP to non-supporting XRP crypto wallets. Ayan, so yun yung tatandaan natin. So kung may hold ako na XRP sa MetaMask gamit yung Binance Smart Chain, pag magwi-withdraw tayo dapat sa Binance talaga natin siya i-withdraw para meron tayong reassurance na hindi mawawala yung funds natin, okay? Therefore, the trading of XRP Peg depends entirely on the Binance exchange. Users will not be harmed if Binance is still working fine. So ito na yung kabuuan ng article about Binance Peg XRP based dito sa article na nabasa natin from investiki.com. Okay, so disclaimer statement for our Involve Asia and Cryptocurrency YouTube channel. All the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purpose only. Any action that you take upon the information you find on our website is strictly at your own risk. More fruitful gains, everyone. I'll see you again on our next vlog. Bye for now.